Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We have a whole new year. Oh my goodness, and we have some incredible activities planned for you in 2026. Can you believe it? Well, I will turn it over to Victoria to give us a little compass tease for what we're covering this week. Victoria?
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the new year. You know me. I'm always reviewing the possibilities for what lens we should bring to story writing and how I can help either inspire you or maybe spur some creativity or give you a different way to consider what you're writing to help you get those words on the page. So, what I want to do to kick off this year is I'm going to take you on a brief tour through chapter 10 of my book, and I'm going to introduce you to something that I call the 5 C's. Those are the letter C 5 times, and it's a way of thinking about your story that can help you plug holes. It can help you develop something like the character or the conflict in a very simple and accessible way. Or maybe it can just help you look at your story through a different lens and reveal things that either you hadn't thought of before or things that you want to elaborate on. So come back tomorrow because we're going to talk about the 5 C's of story.
Oh, fantastic, Victoria. I can't wait to hear about that. And I am really anxious to get a hold of your book. I am so excited to see you holding it in your hands. It must be very, very close now. Well, we are going to take on a new character trait this month, which is what we do. We take on a character trait every month. And this time, the character trait is an interesting one. It's a little bit difficult. And I think the problem, the more I think about it, is maybe it needs a better name because right now it's called obedience. What do you think about when you think about obedience? I think about dog training. Sit, come, stay. Is that really something you really want to talk about with people? Yes, children need to obey their parents, but aren't we a little bit past this because I said so? Well, even though I've used those words with my children, I have to admit, um, if we're truth be told, but we're going to be talking about it a little bit more next week in a little bit deeper way and seeing if there's maybe another name that we can use that covers what's really going on with that character trait, because that's what we want to get down to is what's the struggle and what's happening. And then also, we're going to talk a little bit more about our challenge for this month. And so I'll cover that again tomorrow when you come on back for the map. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.